Customize how data is displayed by changing the column width or row height in Excel. To resize columns, start by selecting the ones you want to change. On the Home tab, select Format, Column Width. Type in the column width you want and select OK. To resize rows, choose the rows and select Format, Row Height. Type in the row height you want and select OK. Want to auto-fit columns and rows to fit the data? Choose the Select All arrow in the top left corner of the worksheet. Double-click any boundary between two cells to auto-fit all data to the columns and rows. To auto-fit a single column to its data, double-click a boundary. You can do this for rows as well.